Hello, Badri JC, a registered migration agent since 2007. Today the video is a little longer, but I strongly suggest you stay till end to get some tips for migration and visa. So let's begin. If you have finished your bachelor or master's in Australia and your occupation is no longer popular or not helping you to get residence, so what do you do? Not only about bachelor and master, also your diploma. So what to do next is the most asked question recently due to COVID-19 pandemic. So especially among students who recently graduated or are about to graduate. Yes, after the study you may have access to graduate 485 visa, but is it best to take it now or apply further student visa to study and apply 485 later to make eligible for permanent visa in near future? So currently we have noticed reduced quotas for skill visa, invites are hard to come, and occupations are more restricted, as you all know. The time is very competitive, and how do you compete in a situation like this? So as I always say, the best way to compete is to plan properly and make yourself even more skilled according to current situations. Remember, do not hold on. It won't happen automatically. It's you who will make it happen, and you have to make it happen if you want to stay further in this country. So if you have recently finished your study and eligible for 485, it is best to think hard and get advice from professionals and analyze whether it's good to apply 485 now and study on 485 visa, or study further in student visa and apply 485 later. Remember, it is only possible once for men applicant. Those who are on 485 visa needs to think, plan and act accordingly, and if you want to study further, you may have to choose a study where you can gain full skill assessment without work experience. It's important that you understand this. You can gain full skill assessment without work experience. So some of the courses that you may want to consider are say for example, Masters by Research. This is where you can get full-time work rights for yourself and also your dependent. You can study this on 485 visa, or use this course to get another student visa and apply 485 later. If you study in specified STEM or ICT field awards, you get additional 10 points for skill visas as well. So another one which is very popular is Master of Teaching Secondary. So how many of you know about this course? This can be base pathways for many students. It is very popular course, and educators are always in high demand, with only second largest quota after nursing. So if you are thinking of studying this course and don't like nursing, so this can be a best pathway for yourself, and you can apply skill assessment without work experience for a teacher. Great option for 485 visa holder. Also, studying in designated regional area may make you eligible for nomination for 190 and 491 visa. Teaching is on the list for 189, 190, 419, 482 medium term, and is not pro rata occupations. Pro rata means it is less competitive and high chances of an invite to apply PR. Next course is Diploma of Nursing. Is another very popular program. Some states may offer easier pathways for state nomination once you are qualified. Enrolled nurse is good for, remember, 190 and 491 visa. This may be a great pathway for students who finish childcare courses. There are ways of how you can study this course and also gain work experience. You can come talk to us. This course can also be a great pathway to become a registered nurse if you are thinking of becoming a registered nurse in Australia. Another one equally popular is Master of Social Work qualifying. Again, you can apply skill assessment without work experience with this qualification. Remember to check with AASW if courses are aggregated that is needed for your skill assessment. Social workers are in high demand and on the list for 189, 190 and 491. This is also there's also less competition and not pro rata occupation. This is not pro rata occupation, so which means always in high demand. The other important one or interesting one is a Diploma of Community Service, which is another popular course to study because Australian population is getting older. It is very popular to gain employment at aged care and likewise. However, a skill assessment may require 12 months of work experience at a minimum of 20 hours per week. You must gain work experience after completing your diploma, and gaining work experience here in this field is easy. Lots of job opportunity also in this industry. There is a way around for this. Please talk to any of our officer staff for this community service course. It is good. It is on the list and good for 190, 491 and good to study in a regional area or a state. Remember, regional states or area has very good options available, and by far this is one of the cheapest study option for students. Trade course, which is also popular among international students, so lots of queries for trade courses. So you may want to consider trade courses before applying 485 visa or while holding 485 visa. Remember, not every trade course is suitable to study while holding a 485 visa. If you are seeking permanent visa or a full skill assessment, skill assessment process requires you to find full-time job for 12 months. So the timing is crucial. Timing is very crucial. If you are thinking trade courses, you have to really plan it properly, and if you do it right, this is a great course. Trade course are many, and then many trade courses are on most occupation lists, and it's not expensive and are again not pro rata occupation, which means always in demand. So these are only few examples of many courses and options available. So if you are seeking advice on individual scenario, come see us at our office if you want to learn more on migration pathways. Remember, we are experienced team and can guide you genuinely. Do not miss an opportunity to stay in this country. One good decision can make you eligible in future. It is almost impossible for me to explain it all in this little video, but of course, chatting face to face, we can talk on your individual cases. Thank you.